lovers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Julia. You're welcome back to my channel, and Merry Christmas in advance. In today's video, I'll show you how to effectively lose belly fat using green pepper. So let's get straight to the video right now. So when you are done making it, you have to drink it. It's pepperish. Yeah, it's supposed to be pepperish because we use green pepper. So you have to drink this thing. Yes, use it twice a week and you will notice some changes on your tummy. You will also lose weight if you are too obese. If you are too obese, you can actually, this will help you to lose a bit weight because cucumber contain water and ginger helps to boost metabolism and so many things, and this green pepper works effectively to burn excess fat on the tummy. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.